Hi, this is Lisa with Inspired to Thrive. Today's video is going to be about Benable. Is Benable a legit way to make money online? It's a site that I've been on for almost a year and only spend a little time, like once, twice a month, putting some shopping lists together that have affiliate links. Of course, some don't, and some may also have informational type posts in the lists. But I wanted to share how to create a great list so that you can make some money through Benable. Again, it's something you can do without spending a lot of time, which is why I wanted to focus on it, because so many other things today take a lot of time, even with AI. So let's go and see how to create Benable lists and make a little bit of extra money.
We are on Benable. This is my actual profile, and I recommend you would fill a profile out completely. You can have links to your social, also to your websites, your blogs, everything, and share a little bit about what your interests are so people have an idea of some of your lists. And as you can see, I've really created quite a few. We do a lot of snowmobiling here in Maine in the winter, so those keep you warm items are something that a lot of people don't invest in, but probably should. Also have about summertime in our state and help items as you get older. I'm no longer 20 as I still think I am. And just a whole bunch of different things. Cleaning, been doing a lot of cleaning projects, so I found things that save time, wanted to create that. You probably all know about my puppy Stella. I've got the best puppy products, some shopping for home items, walking. You probably see a lot of my walking, so the best sneakers. My husband has a man cave. I love coffee, tick prevention. I've had Lyme disease several times over the years, so this list is really an important list for those that want to avoid it. And of course, I've got the social media tools, which is, my business. Christmas, who doesn't love Christmas decorations? For businesses, some card makers. AI tools for content creators. News, travels, SEO helpful tools, parental apps for parents. Some living room furniture is a new list I just added as we were looking at new sets. And I have school days as my granddaughters now are in school. So today I wanted to create a new list, but let's first go to my dashboard because the first thing is about it being a legit site. So this is the cashback, 66, and it shows you every item that people have purchased from my lists. And you have to reach 85 before you can get a payout. So I'm kind of trying to bump it up a little just to get to that 85, as I've been on here, like I said, for almost a year. Every now and then they'll give you a tune-up to stop fixing. And if you have a generic description, I am going to see, are you sure you're done? Living room furniture. Looks good and can withstand a bulldog and be in a budget with that as well. So you're done adding, and I can add another furniture. Let's see, couches. Couches, under 500. Let's just see what we find here. See, that's got a link. So that's a good one. And you've got 3 photos. I like that. Check out these couches at great prices you can afford. And that's done. Are you sure you're done? Yes. Okay. And there it is. Tune-up's complete. You get that as you're doing it. So I'm all set with my tune-up. I showed you that. And these are all the variety of brand partners. They've got over 41,000. So anytime you shop online, what I recommend is you have the little Benable extension in the, see it right there, Benable has access. So the thing I was going to do today is show you some furniture. I'm looking for an office chair. My office chair's really gotten beat up, uh, wear and tear. So this is going to be a new list. So create new list, and it's going to be office chairs, and I'm going to make it ergonomically friendly. See it. So what's the spelling there? Ergonomically friendly office chairs. Save and create. And so this first one I was looking at was one in Staples. Does it give you the actual? Doesn't actually give you the picture. I don't like how it does that. Let's just do, it's not giving you the actual picture. But we're going to add a note. Check staples for their selection of ergonomic office chairs. I'll learn how to spell this by the time this list is done. There we go, done. Now, I think no, let me just do office chairs that are ergonomically comfortable. There we go. So these are some of the chairs. I also liked having the, what do they call these? The mesh ones. I like the mesh. So we'll add this little bendable thing here, ergonomically friendly office chairs. And it's got some nice pictures here. That's what I was trying to get last time, was the pictures. A great office chair with a sport headrest for you. Done. That's it. That's exactly how you do it. So I'm going to show you another one. We'll do one more. See if I can find the one. Let's do shopping. That's usually the easiest way on Google to find. This is a fancy one. I like this. It's kind of cute. And we're going to put that in the bendable. So see with the extension how easy. It's just waiting for the page to load up. As you can see, it's not all loaded up there. Looks like it is, though. Here we go. List ergonomically friendly office chairs. Fancy mesh office chairs with modern look and a variety of colors. And I can see I spelled varieties there wrong. Variety, right? Variety of colors. Done. And that's it. So now, if we want to go look at my list on Benable, we're going to go to the dashboard, my profile, and let's see, I bet it's at the end. I think all the new lists go, yep, here we go. We got 3 items. Normally you want to get 12 to 15, but I'm not going to do the whole video showing you each one that I do. But that's how you do it. It's so easy with the browser extension to share things into Benable. So it's something, if you are doing shopping online, you don't have to even be in your Benable dashboard. You can do it right from that extension. So it's a great way to make a little extra cash as you shop online. So I wanted to share how Benable is legit with my dashboard, that you could see the cash backs there and how many brand partners they have. You can also do it alphabetical if you wanted to see some different ones, but there's a ton of them. You'll see there's a lot. And then of course, I'm always getting the tune-up. That's probably review and add mission description. Looking for the best ergonomically friendly office chair for comfort and style. There we go. Done. Again, once you get that, you know you're good. And then you get insights. It'll give you my May jump in to see. They'll show you how you do each month. It's my 11th month. There we go. I said almost a year. I was right on. I've added 22 since May, atop the 9 of most active users. 20 lists are in trending and were viewed in 6 countries. I bookmarked 2, earned 7 new badges, engagement, thanks. So I wanted to show you one more thing now that I've shared that with you. How to tell which ones are listed. If you see the little, it's optimized right there. If you get the little check mark, you know you have an optimized list. And again, having more recs in the lists make it optimized. And now you can go in and say you're looking for fashion. You can see what other people have. And if you want to shop from their lists, that'll help with your engagement as well on the network. So I hope this, how to create lists on Benable and having Benable as a legit way of making money. Have any questions, please drop them in the comments from the video. Thank you. Have a great day.